Hello friends, welcome to AutoRobo Innovations. Today, in this video, we will discuss about an amazing practice of assigning addresses of input and output pins to inputs and outputs. Using TIA Portal version, it may be 16, 17 or 18. So let's start. So firstly, I will configure a device. I will add a new device here. Then Simtech S7 1200 and then 1212 AC DC relay. And the article number 3. And then I will click on add. If I need to insert a normally open contact here. So I need to assign address to this normally open contact as I 0.1. So I will simply click on this and then drag it to here. So the address assigned to this normally open contact will be I 0.1. And then I will be using a normally closed contact. And I need to assign address to this normally closed contact as I 0.1. So I will simply drag this to here and the address will be assigned to it as I 0.1. Similarly, for output, I will insert a coil and the address for it should be Q0.5. So instead of typing it here, I will simply click on it and drag it here. So the assigned address will be Q0.5. So you can also use this practice to assign addresses to the normally open contacts, to the normally closed contacts, or to the coils. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.